Morning, friends. How are you? Enjoying the life? Fantastic. Very good. And as somebody requested, let us talk about what are the various stages of any building construction. So, assume that it is a residential building. So, first thing will be acquisition of plot. Secondly, it will be sanctioning of the budget. First, we need to prepare the feasibility report, budget estimation, and then we'll come to approvals related to town planning authorities, municipal corporation. Okay, after all that things, we need to finalize the architect and RCC consultant. Then when the preliminary drawings are in the initial stage, we will finalize the subcontractor or the contractor for the civil construction. Okay, which will be a RCC contractor. Mainly, initially we will require a RCC contractor. Uh, After he is finalized, then by and by we will be doing our assessment for the various materials required. Uh, like initially we will require cement, tar steel, sand, aggregate, and most important, water. So for that, we need to find out a source of water. So usually it is better to do a boring at the site. Otherwise, we'll take connection from the local corporation, municipal corporation, and if both are not available, then tankers. We have a tankers of 4,000 liters capacity, which will be bringing, and then we need to have some storage of water tank at the site. So initially, till the time we have completed the water tanks, construction of water tank, we will be storing the water in uh, temporary drums. Normally, we have these 200-liter drums available, oil drums, and in that we'll store the water. Then we would have finalized the RCC contractor. Line out drawings would have been received from the RCC consultant. Then, along with the contractor, we will do the line out at the site for footings. Assuming that we have got open foundation, we will start the excavation. Now, depending on type of foundation design, if it is a basement, then we'll need to go for area excavation. If it is a if it is individual or isolated column footings, then we'll go for individual excavations. If it is pile foundation, we'll go for piling. Piling could be either board pile or hammered pile. Okay, and after the uh, footings are completed, then we'll start with the dogras. Dogras means from the footing up to ground level or up to plinth level, we have small stubs of column coming out. Those are called dogras in Marathi and Hindi also. And then we'll start with plinth beam, then construction of plinth, which for that we'll need masonry. All around the plinth beams, we'll need to have some masonry depending on how much is the plinth level. So usually it will be 2.5 feet, around 750 mm. So plinth construction will be there. Okay. So let me repeat what we have discussed so far. We started with plot acquisition, budget, then we said preliminary drawings, and before that, of course, we finalized the architect, RCC consultant. Here also, either it could be a team of consultants, architect plus RCC designer. We'll talk about that later. We also finalized the RCC contractor, then preliminary drawings, footing drawings. We did the line out. Meanwhile, we arranged for material, cement, sand, steel, binding wire, aggregate. Okay, arranged for water, and we need to organize electric power. It could be a temporary electric connection from MACB, or we can have a generator at the site, or we can have diesel concrete mixer. For that we will be requiring. Then for curing pump we will need electricity. These are the initial things. Then we do line out. We start with excavation. After excavation we do the footings, dogras, plinth beams, plinth masonry, then plinth filling. Plinth filling will comprise of moram filling, soling, PCC, moram filling, compaction, soling, compaction, PCC, curing. So we have completed the construction stages up to plinth. Okay, thank you so much. This is Santosh Kulkarni talking you from YouTube. Have you subscribed to my channel or not? Now our score is 1227 subscribers like you, and more people are joining. So thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead. Today I will be moving out from this hotel. So next video you will see will be from my laptop. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day ahead. All the best. Bye bye.